Good day, New York, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing Pineapple Street, where SpongeBob lives. Now, we are here at Pineapple Street, Columbia Heights. Again, guys, this will be the 4th Street and the 3rd in the Fruit Loop series. Now, let me show you where I am, guys, before we leave. Again, this is Columbia Heights, this one right here. And back there is the promenade. Let me show you where I am. And this will be the last Fruit Loops of the series, guys. And we start the journey now. So basically, I guess that SpongeBob has been doing too many cartoons for so many years. He decided to quit and just bring his apple up here to the surface. And I know he's living in here somewhere. Oh, check this out, guys. Check this out. Wow, dude, it almost looks like an elevator shaft. You know where the elevator comes? That's cool, man. See, and I like the lamp back there. I like the lamp. Again, guys, you'll find you gotta find really rare things like this that I never seen before. And like I said, SpongeBob lives around here somewhere, and he brought up his pineapple around here somewhere. He quit after so many years. Anyways, so let's see. I think this one at the end, guys. At the end, I'm gonna show you. It's like a flea market. Let me see. Coming up at Pineapple Street, Willow Street. Oh, and by the way, guys, I love pizza, but when they say that they had pizza with pineapple, I don't do that, guys. I don't do that. I mean, to me, that's I don't like to combine my sweets with my salts, guys. I'm very specific about certain things. But again, see, like, check the house, guys. See, house is nice. So I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you back there the flea market. What I think is a flea market, heading towards Catman Plaza. Coming up at Pineapple Street, Hicks Street, heading eastbound. Hicks Street, Pineapple Street. Whoa, he's coming from. That timing.
Penso che mi ha rotto le giabate, non ho fatto colazione.
And we keep moving, guys. Well, they came out of nowhere. Again, you have, when you're recording, you expect stuff like this. But you know. Okay, on the other side, see? That's a 69 up there. 69 Pineapple Street. Maybe SpongeBob lives there. I don't know, maybe. Now, check this out, guys. The street ends here, but the path continues straight up ahead. Again, it's like pedestrian patio, something like that. So coming up at Pineapple Street, Pineapple Street, and this is Henry Street, also known as Dorothy Day Way. See? So this is a street. This is a patio now. So no cars can come here. So now we're gonna explore this and see everything in between. And this is the final path of Pineapple, where SpongeBob lives, around here somewhere. Let me get it. I'm gonna show it to you twice, okay? So here is the first one, just so you can see what's on the other side. Again, when I looked at Google, they had like vendors here. So I guess it's only in the weekend. When had all this was full of vendors. So I guess it's only like a weekend thing, I guess. I don't know. But I saw this with a lot of vendors. But as you can see, there's nothing here right now. Maybe it's a weekend, or maybe when it's one of those big festivities, like 4th of July or whatever. Signature smile. And if I'm not mistaken, I saw the when I saw Google, this place was open, guys. But see, now it's closed, guys. Now I don't know if it's closed because I think that was during the COVID thing. So I don't know if it's still open, guys, or maybe just, you know, remodeling or fixing. I don't know. Okay, guys. So see, now this one with Pineapple, we made it to Cat Plaza, but not as a street, but as you can see, as a pedestrian path, or as a patio. And now, guys, we head back westbound. So we go here. But before we leave, guys, let me show you what this used to be, or was, or is, or it's gonna be. I don't know. This is, or what again, is, was, or is going to be Park Plaza Bar Restaurant. And check it out, guys. See, and you have the sidewalk in here, right? There's a sidewalk here. That's what I'm gonna do. Ramp. We're gonna go through here, and we're gonna go through the ramp straight back westbound. I'm telling you guys, I love doing stuff like this. Man, I love this stuff. And now I'm gonna stop here, guys, just like I did it on the opposite side here. I'm gonna stop in the middle. I'm gonna show you the other side. Check it out. This is on the other side. This is what's on the other side. And now we keep going. And we keep moving. Now that restaurant back there is closed. These businesses here, see, they're open. All these businesses are open here, but the one back there was closed permanently. I don't know. Now let me stop here, guys, and let me show you again the full spectrum of this place. We move on westbound. See, this is almost like a combined ramp step or step ramp. See, you got steps in the form of a ramp. Coming up at Pineapple Street, Henry Street, heading westbound. Also known as Dorothy Day Way, or Vaca, or something like that. Oh, guys, I found out where SpongeBob is living right now. See? This is where SpongeBob is living at. PineApple. See? I knew it. PineApple. This is where he's living right now. What is this? This is like a juice bar? It's a restaurant, I think. Oh, so now he's into the restaurant business with Mr. Krabs. Okay, cool. Again, guys, see? This is 69 of the pineapple. Now, we keep moving, guys. See, I'm finding a lot of good stuff in here, guys. You know, a few, but, you know, nonetheless, really eccentric. Check it out. And this one is the white Roman columns. Again, this place is go all the way back to the 1840s, man. That's a long time. That would have been my great-grandparents to the 7th or 8th power, man. See, pineapple. But you see, back there in that restaurant, that is SpongeBob's new gig, man. Back he runs a restaurant called PineApple. So check out the those things back there. They used to be like doors or something. And this is the Hamilton house. And guys, it is hot, just like the way I like it. Hot, nice. It's about 96 degrees. Coming up at Pineapple Street, Hick Street, heading westbound. And check it out, that is Joe Coffee Company. Joe Coffee Company. I'll probably get a coffee when we come back, after we're finished. And lately I've been seeing a lot of those pull-out balconies, man. Check it out, guys. See, with the shelves. That's cool. It adds flavor to the aesthetic. See, I wouldn't be surprised if Spancho brought those. You know, since he lived in the sea, he brought a lot of souvenirs. So I'm not surprised if that was from him. And we have this house, really weird, man. Check it out. It almost looks like those firehouses back in the 1800s. And check out the back there. It's almost like the Pantheon type style. Maybe this used to be once the I don't know, like a garage again. I don't know. Again, guys, cool stuff. Cool stuff. Coming up at Pineapple Street, Willow Street. Pineapple Street, Willow Street. Heading westbound. So far, guys, doing all these streets, I've been seeing plaques with 1840 something, 1840 is that, 1840 is this. Check it out, guys. See, I like the house, nice. I think that's a townhouse. I think. Again, but that part there looks like the elevators go, the shaft right there. That looks nice, man. That looks really nice. Eesh. Okay, guys, we're coming to the end of the video. Thanks for joining me in this ride again, as always. And I will see you somewhere in time, guys. Again, that's a promenade of Brooklyn. Okay, guys. I'm Mr. Sun. Bye.